This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Cute one-story 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Stone Crest subdivision and zoned to the award-winning Katy ISD. Soaring ceilings in the living areas. Split bedroom floor plan with huge master suite with a huge master bath, tub, and separate shower with large walk-in closet. The secondary bedrooms are spacious with good-sized closets. Recent fence was replaced all around, complete with new gates. The above-ground pool is great, however the seller can remove it if the buyer would prefer. HVAC was replaced in 2016 per the seller. Stove and dishwasher replaced in 2020. Recent hot water tank too. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Stinson at 281-392-9272.